Hello viewers, does the thought of speaking directly to camera drive you to the bathroom? To overcome this quite natural fear of looking like an idiot on camera, I recommend you go and attend Andy Taylor White's Inspiration Bureau course, or buy a large magical plastic gnome who will protect you from the evils of the camera. Of course, there might be Plan C. Plan C is to get stuff for free where you never have to be on the camera. Follow me. Let's kick off with an amazing free resource, pixabay.com. Yep, not only does it do photos and graphics and illustrations, it does high quality video. And I've submitted some stuff to this site and they turned me down because the quality wasn't good enough. Now that's actually good news, because they are curating the content to make sure it's only excellent, up to their standards. Now this means that you wouldn't need to go on camera at all. You would put together, using video editing software, your whole storyline just using your voice. So you can script it, record the voice, weave in the chosen footage, and there you have a professional production. And what you're seeing on screen now is some of the search I did for boardroom, which looks quite exciting. That's a well-produced piece of video there. Next up is pexels.com, and frankly I can't tell much difference between pixabay.com and pexels.com. I suspect that the same mastermind is behind both sites. Again, you can get great footage, great video, and great images, all free from this site. So pexels.com, pixabay.com will set you up nicely. Let's do a quick search for networking. Justin asked me to look the other day for some new images for networking, so this is what's coming up from pexels.com. Again, it's just top quality videos, all for free. Finally, in my list of free resources, unsplash.com. Unsplash.com I love to pieces. No video, it's just pictures. But if you use something called the Ken Burns effect in video editing software like Final Cut Pro on the Mac, you can animate the image so it looks like the camera is moving in or coming out. There's all sorts of ways to bring these high quality, beautiful images to life. What about paid for then? Well, I'm going to recommend videoscribe.co if you like animated videos. I do quite a few of these for the Boardroom Network, and these are what they call Whiteboard Animation. I have to say their major competitor, I think it's Doodly, has been advertising for $67 all in. Videoscribe is much more expensive than that, and it's an annual subscription, but it does do these amazing whiteboard animations, and you can see how posh the people are, the clients. Then there's a kind of in-betweeny. A great, amazing resource is Storyblocks.com, where you can get video and effects and sound effects. So it's a real one-stop shop for video producers. And again, you're not going to have to go on camera because you just search with a keyword. Here's another one for boardroom. And then you can weave together in your video editing software those clips. What I particularly like about it, here's one for networking. I should think that would make Jackie's skin crawl. Not quite what we're up to at the Boardroom Network. But what I love about this is there's some really good stuff in slow motion, that cinematic look. Vidnami sits between those two. So Vidnami is a piece of software on subscription where you don't have to have any video editing software, and that's a major plus. And I know for a fact that it's sourcing its videos from Storyblocks.com. So if you don't want to invest in an expensive computer with expensive video editing software, Vidnami on subscription is a very, very powerful option. And one of the things they really do, which is particularly good, is put your captions on screen. Now, as a writer, I find this amazing because the workflow is so clear. You write your script, you import your script into Vidnami so that it can look for the right clips, and sometimes its choices are hilarious. But then it puts those words over the video. I thought Lee might like this one here. If you want to record your voice as well, which I say please do that, you can add your own vocals to this, your own voice, your own voiceover to it. So there you have a complete solution for you. And then Lizzie Amos has been using promo.com to produce some really engaging and quite hilarious videos promoting her publishing. So this is not one I use yet, but I love what I've seen Lizzie produce. So highly recommended as well. Promo.com. As a call to action, I'm going to recommend that you invest most in your voice. So here's a sheet from Amazon talking about the Røde series of microphones, and I've done a load of videos just on my phone with the brilliant Røde microphones. I can help you get the right setup for your particular phone as well if you would like some consultancy. The weird thing about video is that the voice matters more than the pictures. We know that we are going to spend much more time online going forward because of the current scenario. So let me just say I am here to help you. I've made loads of mistakes and I've had thousands of wins. And I'm very, very happy to accelerate your learning path by working with you on producing the videos of your dreams to promote your amazing company.